Tai Chi training, doing push hands, learning how to work with somebody, clear back to my days of wrestling. You learn how to move with your whole body. The idea is letting the power come out through your hands, getting the power to come from my whole body, so that when I'm working on somebody, there's a difference between massaging with your hand as opposed to like letting your whole body, everything travel through your hand. So one of my teachers, a Tuina teacher, is like show you this really simple technique. He's from Shanghai. He's like show you something and you do it and he's like no, like this. And it looked the same, but when you do it right, and it can be really gentle, and you're working on somebody's neck or shoulder or arm, and you're doing this, their feet will be shaking. The energy's flowing all the way through their body. And if you just used your hand and you just do it from here, you might get their shoulder to shake a little bit, but it's a different feeling. It's like being in the ocean and getting hit by a wave, where the whole ocean hits you all at once rather than one little piece.